bracket supplied in the kit replaces the second underside bracket that we had just removed. This bracket fits over the factory studs and is secured in place by locking nuts. Using the supplied beetle tape, create a ring around the factory hole in the floorboard. This will help create a watertight seal on the new cable shifter. Now feed the new pre-assembled cable shifter assembly down through the factory hole. Press down firmly on the new shifter assembly to assure yourself a proper seal. Now reinstall the factory fasteners and tighten them down. Adjust the carpet kit, and now it's time to move back down to the underside of the vehicle. Next, we fit the cable in through the hole in the bracket. Now feed the locking washer over the cable in, followed by the nut. And finger tighten. And last but not least, install the heim joint to the cable in. Making sure the transfer case handle is shifted to an upright position, it is now time to connect and adjust the shifter linkage. The heim joint end of the cable shifter is now connected to the transfer case shift actuation lever via a bolt and locking nut. It is important not to tighten down the two nuts that secure the cable to the bracket and leave it somewhat loose. The two nuts on the cable in conjunction with the locking nut on the heim joint are your adjustments for the shifting mechanism. If you are unable to get all ranges on your transfer case, or the linkage seems to be out of time, by adjusting these nuts and the lock nut, you should be able to get that back into phase and have no problem shifting. Once you feel that the linkage has been properly adjusted, go ahead and tighten down all your connections. Now the only thing left to do is reinstall the console and connect your new cool shift knob to the shift handle. Keep in mind this install was done on a 2004 Jeep TJ Wrangler Rubicon model, so your install may vary and differ just a little bit.